Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience using NationBuilder. NationBuilder, found at https://www.nationbuilder.com, is a comprehensive platform designed to empower organizations, movements, and individuals to build thriving communities and achieve their goals. It offers a suite of integrated tools that streamline various aspects of community building, from website creation and event management to fundraising and communications. The platform is particularly well-suited for political campaigns, advocacy groups, non-profits, and educational institutions seeking to cultivate strong relationships with their supporters and constituents. One of NationBuilder's key strengths lies in its ability to centralize all community data in one place. This allows users to gain a holistic understanding of their audience and personalize their interactions. From tracking donations and volunteer activity to analyzing website engagement and social media interactions, NationBuilder provides valuable insights into supporter behavior. This data-driven approach enables organizations to tailor their messaging, target specific segments of their audience, and optimize their outreach strategies for maximum impact. Furthermore, NationBuilder facilitates seamless communication across multiple channels. Whether it's sending targeted email blasts, managing social media campaigns, or organizing online events, the platform offers a range of tools to engage with supporters effectively. Its website builder allows for the creation of visually appealing and user-friendly websites, while its integrated fundraising features simplify the donation process and encourage recurring contributions. The platform also offers robust event management capabilities, enabling organizations to plan, promote, and execute successful gatherings, both online and offline. Beyond its core functionalities, NationBuilder fosters a sense of community among its users. Through its online forum and regular webinars, the platform provides opportunities for users to connect with one another, share best practices, and learn from industry experts. This collaborative environment contributes to a vibrant ecosystem where organizations can learn, grow, and achieve their collective goals more effectively. In essence, NationBuilder provides more than just a set of tools; it offers a comprehensive solution for building and nurturing thriving communities. Through its integrated platform and supportive community, NationBuilder empowers organizations to connect with their supporters, mobilize their base, and ultimately, make a lasting impact.